shit! Oh no!
Life is good. You know what I mean? Like...
All right, Matt. What's the plan today, dog?
All right, so should we walk them through the entire thing, or should we just like?
Well, yeah, let's walk through what we're gonna do. So I think the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna run to AutoZone or O'Reilly. But first thing we're gonna do before we go, we're gonna take the Miata. We're gonna pop take the rest of this trunk off so it's not bouncing.
Yep.
And we're gonna add us a little cardboard tag that says tag applied for. We were planning on taking the passenger side door off, but I don't want to throw Matt out because the seatbelt is, with airbag deployment, the seatbelt's locked. So we're gonna leave the passenger door for now until we can get a harness or something in.
Yep.
And then the surprise later is what we're gonna do with this right here. And that's why we gotta run to the parts store. But other than that, not smoking anymore. We got everything filled out. We think the smoking was from the power steering leaking onto the exhaust.
Yep. You can see it right here on this gray pump. It leaks out right down there.
Oh, it does? Oh yeah, I can see it. Okay, cool, yeah.
Right here's where the power steering goes in.
Yeah, well fuck, we don't need power steering.
And yeah.
All right, well, when we get back, we need to check the oil too, just give it a little love. I wrote Squid on here.
You got yours right. You're right,
ATL
right there, but I wrote it down here, signed it.
Yeah, we gotta get ATLModified on here.
Andy,
too.
we got Brandon, Robert, Nick.
Yes, sir. We're gonna leave this shit. Right there.
Perfect.
Tag, app, and then I'm gonna leave 4 open. Cause send it. And I'm lazy.
Where do you want to run the line? Grabbing this out the E46 M3. We're gonna see if we can get it to work.
Delivered in no time with unlimited free shipping, all while keeping an eye on my son.
Here to do it.
Alright, made it to the auto parts store.
Yeah, we didn't get arrested. Hell yeah, let's go, gang gang.
Yes, sir.
Fine gentleman here at AutoZone hooked us up with some vacuum hose line.
And it's perfect for what we need.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a little project out of this stuff with the vacuum hose line. And Matt's super excited. Look at this big smile on his face.
Yeah.
Exact
I've never seen this on a car before. I feel like it's an idea that everyone's thought about doing, but no one's ever actually done it.
Yeah, well. All right, boys, we got the line. We're all set. Matt, will you take the line for me, please? We're gonna rip it to some Moe's and get something to eat.
We're going to take this to Moe's?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Moe's, boys.
It's a bad idea.
Yo, we got Devin tailing us. Here we go to Moe's.
NANI?!
I just like the sound of it.
It runs alright. Hey, you're buddy. Your buddy. Hey, it's buddy with the 240 with the 240Z. Yeah, what's up, guys? This is our new whip. What's up? Alright, let's go. Hey, give him a burnout. Damn.
Whoa, come on. We'll let you over.
Just arrived at Moe's. I get some grub.
When you get pulled over,
oh,
we're not arrested.
Front row parking.
Up front parkings, yes sir.
Go. Fuck it, dude. If he didn't.
Wait, a cop watched us do that? Yes. Ah, yo.
Oh my god.
He didn't pull out or anything. I saw him sitting there.
Bro, he didn't even care. You already know. Tag applied for Adam and Squid.
Here's your key.
Okay, buddy.
No.
put it somewhere else? I got it like.
That. Actually, give me the.
Oh,
I don't give a shit what they do. Oh yeah, take pictures all you want.
I was dying laughing down there. I was like, oh my god, I've never seen nothing like this.
Hitting the Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru.
What's up, Matt?
What's up?
Hey, buddy.
Are we in the whip?
Yeah. Kate wanted Dunkin'. You're in the back. Here, hand it to me. Then give him a good view. Matt just chilling in the back.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying your ride?
Yes, sir. Adios. Filling up our water, making it all soapy with some Dawn dishwashing liquid. We got a good bit already in there. And then we'll be able to stick it right in the windshield wiper fluid, run to the back tires, and we'll have a soapy little drift car.
Once it gets close, stop.
Roll that bitch all the way up.
Boom.
Right there.
Alright, so here's our line.
Count out loud. Tell me when you see it.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
1.
Done. Already going.
All right. Check the other side.
Alright, go for it. Yeah, it's coming out already. It's instant. Alright. Bet. Yo, we out. Alright. So we at Mexico. Got the Miata. Everything's all hooked up. Make sure that's all soapy. You already know. So get it wired up. Down, through, around, up, out, boom, T-shape right here, both tires. So slide like a dream.
Squad's rolling out real fast. We're gonna move to the next spot.
Hey, let's go to roundabout. Back in the Stealthmobile, the taco.
With no gas, gang.
Yep.
I'm about to stop and get some gas.
Get some gas. Fun night. Successful day. Went to a meet. Took it. Did some donuts. Did some crazy shit. Did our thing. Hit a couple curves along the way.
Yep.
Did some roundabouts as you probably saw.
Matt smacked the curb with the front tires.
Yeah.
I drifted over a ramped curb with the rear tires.
Yeah,
We hit it hard tonight. This was a good night. This is probably
This is the nights we were looking forward to for buying the car. This is what I was expecting every night.
yeah. So we definitely got our money's worth on this car tonight alone, and we're ready for many. Oh, I just tapped a little curb with the truck. That's what I get for talking on the video and trying to drive some. This is another taco.
It's been real. It's been fun, but it ain't been real fun.
You heard it from Squid first, not me.